Hi, we are the Tech Geek. Today we are going to show you how to back up files and sync files for free. Before we get started, if you like this video, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. The first step is to open up a web browser. In your search bar, type in allwaysync.com. Allways Sync is a software which synchronizes your files and folders between computers, USB drives, network shared drives, various online data storages, etc. It is free for personal use. Click the download button to download the program. Then follow the steps to install the program. After installation, launch Allways Sync. Allways Sync supports many types of folders to sync. For example, Windows folder, Amazon S3, Google Drive, OneDrive, etc. In this video, we will be using Windows folder. We can select one-way synchronization from left folder to right folder, or right folder to left folder, or two-way synchronization. In this video, we'll be using one-way synchronization from left to right folder. Click Configure and browse on the left to select the folder on the left-hand side. Click Browse on the right and select the folder on the right-hand side. Click the Analyze button to compare the files in both folders. As this is the first time, it shows more than 50% differences in both folders. Click the Ignore button to continue. Click Synchronize to sync the files and folders from left folders to right folders. After synchronization, if you click the Analyze button again, it will show all files are unchanged. If we edit some files in the primary folder and click the Analyze button again, it will show the number of changed files. Click the Synchronize button. It will only sync the changed files from left folders to right folders. And that is the end of the video. We hope that this video helped you. If it did, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.